Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the Opera web browser language settings. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Opera menu icon up at the top left. So go ahead and just select that. And then go down to Settings and select that as well. On the right side, scroll down to Advanced, and you want to select that to expand it. And now you want to scroll down underneath preferred languages. And websites will show content in your preferred languages when possible. You can select add languages right there. Add the language from the list if you have a different language you want to add. Select add. And then you want to select the three-dot icon next to it and select where it says display Opera in this language. And that's all you have to do. So you will need to relaunch in order for the change to take effect. And like I said, that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.